Hello friends and customers. This clip I would like to post about fixing two ceiling fans for customer would like to change or replace the old ceiling fan with the light in his rooms. Then he asked us to help. This is the second time. They should be all together. This is the first one, the third one, and the fourth one that we are going to replace for them. We're fixing the first part, the second part, third part, one by one step. And this is the way how to fix the braid of the fan. This is about the light bulb fixing. Yay, the first one finished. It worked properly. Then we continue the second one. We continue the second ceiling fans in the other room. One, we took out the old unit, then we input one by one, step by step by the new one. I helped him to fix the braid and the handle and turn the white color down. The customer liked the white color. We fix it properly and complete another one very fast. If you would like us to help you to do the handy job, handy service, please communicate me by Facebook inbox Pailin-b Wicker or call Mr. Mose 423-3834-211. We are very appreciate to offer you the price before start working. Hope to hear from you. Thank you and goodbye.